Ever found yourself staring blankly at your phone, no bars in sight, wondering if you can still keep tabs on your spending? It's a real head-scratcher, especially when you're trying to stick to a budget. We've all been there. Maybe you're on a hike, deep underground on the subway, or just in a spot with spotty Wi-Fi. In those moments, you might think about your budgeting app and ask, can Pocketguard be used offline? That's the question we're diving into today. Pocketguard has become a go-to for many looking to get a handle on their finances. It's designed to help you track your spending, set budgets, and even see where you can save. But like many modern apps, it's built with the expectation of an internet connection. This connection is usually how it syncs your bank accounts, categorizes transactions, and provides you with those insightful overviews of your financial health. So, what happens when that connection disappears? Can you still rely on Pocketguard to keep you on track? The short answer is, it's a bit nuanced. Pocketguard primarily functions online. To get the most out of its features, things like automatic transaction updates, real-time budget tracking, and access to its full suite of analytical tools, you'll need an active internet connection. When you initially set up Pocketguard, it needs to connect to your financial institutions to pull in your data. This initial synchronization, and the ongoing updates to reflect your latest spending, require that connection. However, that doesn't mean Pocketguard is completely useless without Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you've already opened the app and your data has been recently synced, you can often view your existing budget information and past transactions. The app essentially caches this data, allowing you to see where you stand based on the last time it was online. What you typically can't do offline is have new transactions automatically appear. Since Pocketguard relies on that live connection to communicate with your bank or credit card accounts, any purchases you make while offline won't immediately show up in the app. Similarly, you won't be able to adjust your budget categories or set up new rules while you're disconnected. Those actions require the app to communicate with its servers. Think of it like downloading a playlist on your favorite music app. You need an internet connection to download the songs initially, but once they're on your device, you can listen to them offline. Pocketguard works in a similar way with your financial data. The app needs to download the latest information while you're online. So, while Pocketguard isn't designed to be a fully functional offline budgeting tool, it can still provide a snapshot of your finances based on the last time it was connected. This can be helpful for a quick review, but it's crucial to remember that this information won't be up-to-the-minute accurate until you're back online and the app can sync again. For those times when you know you'll be without internet access, it might be wise to open Pocketguard beforehand to ensure you have the most recent data cached. This way, you can at least refer to your budget and spending habits as of your last online session. In conclusion, while Pocketguard shines brightest with an internet connection, offering real-time insights and automatic updates, it does offer limited offline functionality by allowing you to view previously synced data. Just remember that for the most accurate and up-to-date picture of your financial situation, you'll need to be online. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.